Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common English grammar question: much versus many. When do you use which? It's a question that trips up a lot of English learners, but don't worry, we're going to break it down simply. Both much and many are used to talk about quantities, but the key difference lies in whether the noun you're talking about is countable or uncountable. Let's start with much. Much is used with uncountable nouns. What are uncountable nouns? These are things you can't count individually. They're often seen as a mass or a concept. Think of things like water, sugar, or time. You can't say 1 water, 2 sugars, or 3 times. These things are measured in amounts, not individual units. So you'd say, how much water do you drink every day? There isn't much sugar left in the jar. I don't have much time to study today. Now let's talk about many. Many is used with countable nouns. These are things you can count individually, like apples, cars, chairs, books, friends. These are all countable. You can say 1 apple, 2 cars, 3 chairs, and so on. So you'd say, how many books do you have? We visited many places during our vacation. She has many friends. So, use much for uncountable things like time, sugar, or milk. Use many for things you can count like apples, cars, or chairs. In informal English, much and many are mostly used in questions and negative sentences. For example, how many friends do you have? She doesn't drink much coffee. In formal English, much and many are more common in affirmative or positive sentences, especially in written texts, academic language, and formal speeches. For example, much effort is required to solve this problem. In informal English, we would say, a lot of effort is required to solve this problem. Another example, many studies have shown the benefits of exercise. In informal speech, we might say, lots of studies have shown the benefits of exercise. We can drop a noun after much or many if the meaning is clear. In everyday conversation, if the noun is already clear from the context, we can drop it because the listener can easily infer the meaning. For example, I don't have much information on the topic. Shortened sentence will be, I don't have much. Here, the noun information is understood. Another example, full sentence, I haven't read many books this year. Shortened sentence will be, I haven't read many. Here, the noun books is understood. So, we can omit a noun after much or many when it's clear from the context what we're talking about. This makes the sentence shorter and more natural without losing any meaning. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use much and many in context, the easier it will become. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more English grammar tips. Thanks for watching.